Did you know that I watch the most elaborate shopping addiction cover-ups every single day? I'm a mannequin, and trust me, I see everything. There's this one woman who changes clothes in her car after every shopping trip. She stuffs new purchases under her seat and walks into her house wearing the same outfit she left in. Genius level deception. Then there's the office shipping lady. She has everything delivered to work, sneaks items home in her purse over weeks, and tells her husband she's had that dress forever. My favorite is the tag removal ritual. Customers rip off price tags right here in the store, mess up their hair, and claim they're returning something old. The dedication is honestly impressive. But the most creative? The friend rotation system. 3 women buy clothes, share them for photos, then return them. They've created a whole fake wardrobe library. Shopping addiction needs more lies than other addictions because the evidence literally hangs in your closet. You can't hide a $100 dress like you can hide a drink. I respect the creativity, honestly.